I think we're recording. I wish I had something to look at. Oh, they're putting up a tent. They're going to be here all weekend long, people. What is today, 23rd? Welcome back, everybody. Today is May 23? Yep. And no, I'm not talking to myself. We have the beautiful Deborah behind me, and we are on a 2015 Purple Punch Can-Am Spyder RT Sea to Sky. And yes, it's purple. I've been on a 23. Wow, has it been that long ago? So I like this platform. They handle like super good. I don't like the bars. These bars are way too low. Oh, look at that pretty Corvette. Huh. So coming from the F3 to an RT, we have the perfect person on the back to ask questions. Oh, I'm not very tall when I stand up on this one. I dig all the people in the river. I'm sorry, that is so cool. All right, back to moto vlogging. So yeah, I was on the green one yesterday, the one that's in front of us, and it's weird. It should be the exact same thing as I have, but it sits differently for whatever reason. And of course, this guy's gonna slow down even more. Speed limit's 30 and we're doing 22. Oh, there were people walking. No, we're still going. Hear that music? I was dancing. Yep. All right, so back to the Spyder. They're doing selfies over there. I'm gonna have a hard time riding this thing because I want to see everything that's going on. Because I'm all new to this. Could you sleep in a tent? No, the question is, could you? I already know the answer. I don't think I could. But, I mean, okay, so we're going to have a little conversation here, people. I don't think I could for two reasons. Number one, I wouldn't be able to get up and walk in the morning. But number two, I don't think I could get cool enough. You know? Yeah, she agrees. So I'm assuming you think you could? Yeah? Yeah, you'd be fine. It's 100 degrees in here. Can you turn the heat up? Yeah. Okay, so back to the Spyder. I don't know if I would want to tent camp up here. I would want to be down here on the river. It would be beautiful. Waking up and having that. What's that? They make portable AC units for tents. There you go, people. We got it figured out. This is not a very productive moto vlog. Is it my fault? We need to get you mic'd. I am being squirreled. We need to get you mic'd up. Yeah, well, we're going to do it. When I buy that new camera, we're going to get a DJI wireless mic. Okay, so let's talk about the RT. You have armrests. She says yay armrest. She likes the armrest. I wasn't sure because I haven't spoken to anybody that has the armrest, so that might be something we look into for the white Spyder. What do you think about the extra room that you get in the back? You get like 3 extra more inches. You like it? Yeah. Yeah, so you have enough. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna summarize this. She likes the extra room on the RT because there's an air gap between us. And she likes the armrest because her arms just don't dangle. Do you like the windscreen to where you don't get a lot of air on your helmet? And she likes... So she likes the windscreen because she doesn't have the visor down to get more air on her beautiful face. See how I did that? Yeah? Right? I'm going for extra bonus points. Look at all these campers. This place is busy. Yeah. So there could, I see a couple of places that people could still check in. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. This is nuts. So this river is literally just like a weekend party. I see people tie it off together way up there. Okay, so back to the RT. I'm going to talk about the RT and what I think about the RT. And there are a ton of cops, yet again, squirrel. So I love how this thing handles. I love the floorboards. They're huge. And then I can put my feet, see, can you see? I can put my feet on the plastics, kind of like a highway peg. So I like that. I do that with my white Spyder. Or I can have them straight down. I can still stand up to where on that I could not stand up. I do not like these bars. They are way too low. I need them up about here, a good 4 inches. I like the distance of them, but what happens when I turn, they actually hit my leg. Hey, what's going on there, Mr. Motorcycle people? All right, all right. So yeah, if we ever get anything like this, we're gonna go with taller bars. I don't like the performance of this. They need to bring a bigger motor. Oh, I got the hiccups. They need to bring a bigger motor to the RT. It's fine if you're just poking around, but if you want to go out and have some fun because they handle good, you're just limited. See, they set up those little awning things right in the middle of the river. But besides that, I like the RT. The RT is pretty cool because the fans, when you're at a traffic light, they don't blow through the radiator. They don't pull through the radiator, I should say. They blow out the radiator. So you're not getting heat blown on you, so they're a lot cooler. Where the F3 pulls it through the radiator off the side, and then of course it comes back down on your leg, and you just feel the heat. This thing, it feels so much cooler than the F3. But these bars, man, they gotta be taller. I did drop a couple gears and get on it, and Debbie thought it was plenty powerful. Oh, look, you got a little cubby for your phone. Maybe these things, so I was questioning the cubby that one has. They don't seem to sit down as tight, but I think they want you to be able to pull the cord through there. Right? Yes. Yes, there's some in the back case, and then there's one in here. There might even be one back there for you somewhere. I'm not quite sure. I'd have to look. Yeah, this poor guy. He really just putts through here. Look at that. They were smart, climbed up in the tree, and that's cool. How you doing? All right, all right. Did I tell you what the purple means? Let's see if she remembers. What's that? So the purple means instead of hanging a no trespass sign, you paint it purple, and that's the same thing. Purple on a fence post means no trespassing. Such a pretty road. And of course, with this thing being the Sea to Sky, you get all the things. But you're looking at a sticker of $33,000 for this thing. Heated steering wheel, the hand grips, and the handlebars. Yep. I really think, since we saw that Indian with that cool seat, I think they really should do some type of a ventilated seat. Oh, so now we're not with one another anymore? Yeah, and I don't have my phone out to where I can. Yep. Okay. Well, you enjoy the quiet. All right, love you. So I think that's going to be it, to be honest with you. I really like the RT. I really wish that they, since they really fixed the handling issues on this thing, I would really like to see a bigger motor in one of these things. I would then really consider getting one. I would also like to see, with this thing being a touring machine, something besides a belt drive. I don't know, the belt's fine, but you get some vibrations out of it. They have a shaft drive on the Riker, so why wouldn't they put a shaft drive on the RT? I don't know if it's money. I don't know, you know, what the reason is. But I think that would be cool. Shaft drive. Some type of ventilated seat. I think, what was it, 2014, 2015, where they had that bobbed windshield? I really like that bobbed windshield. I think that would be cool to have an option for, is a bobbed windscreen. But definitely a bigger motor. It can still be this 3-cylinder. I like the 3-cylinder, but you know, let's talk about maybe 130 horse, maybe more. You know, bring that torque up to about 100. Just so these people that like to go a little quicker can go a little quicker. And I think this is where I ended it yesterday too, right through here. See, there's not a lot of people up here. That's where I would be. I'd sneak. But it would be cool to see if they could bring a younger generation into the Spyder, pull from them, make these things a little bit more fun. So on that bombshell, I'm gonna let everybody go. So if you could, please give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road, and I don't need to set the cruise because we're doing 30 miles per hour because everybody's doing that, not just the old man in front of me.